Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the iPhone XS Max. So we have the new Snapdragon 855 CPU going up against the A12 Bionic, 6GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now, can the Mi 9 dethrone the iPhone XS Max in the benchmark comparisons? Let's find out in this video. So the iPhone XS Max finished first, and it was about 30 seconds earlier. However, the overall scores are higher on the Mi 9. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored higher for the CPU, the GPU, the UX, but the iPhone XS Max scored slightly higher on the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison, and it shows you that the Snapdragon 855 CPU is an amazing processor. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up The next video will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus against the iPhone XS Max. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.